Hey, what is going on, guys, gals, aliens, and degen freaks? Welcome to Dano Crypto. So we had to brew some coffee up, so sorry for a little bit of the late start here. But guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to the show, welcome to the 11:30 Eastern Standard Time live stream. Welcome everyone, welcome Steve Randall Jr., welcome Paul Parker there. We'll be escaping in 12 months after the bull run. Nice. I think we all want to do that. We all want to fly away on a jet plane after we take our profits. But guys, welcome to the show. Welcome. If you want to escape the matrix, if you want to YouTube layout a little different. The YouTube layout is a little different. I don't know. Is it a little different? Oh, did they change it? Maybe they changed it. Maybe they're updating. But guys, welcome to the show. Welcome to the show. We are going to be getting into the Ethereum price. We're going to be getting into the Bitcoin price. We're going to be getting into the bullishness that is the vote on the legislation for crypto to be governed by the CFTC instead of the SEC. We have Trump announced that he is taking full crypto donations, anything from Shiba Inu to Dogecoin to Solana to Ethereum, Bitcoin. There were some others in there, but this is so bullish, guys. So we are coming into a major phase 2 of the bull run. Phase 1 was just getting the things approved, like the Bitcoin ETF, getting a little bit of the old baggage out of the way, getting the skeletons out of the closet, and now we can get some traction and move up to where we think we're going to be in the short term, which is 80K. And then we have a crazy price prediction that Bitcoin is going to be going to 150K before Christmas time. So guys, let's get the show on the road. What is going on, guys? So shout out to everyone who is on the channel and who is on the live stream and in the chat. And make sure you guys are using the link in the description because we are doing a special Dano treasure giveaway with BITFLEX. So this is our second giveaway that we're doing. The first one was completely our idea with doing the t-shirt. So shout out to the winner of the BITFLEX t-shirt. That thing should be coming to you very soon. So guys, the rules with this is awesome. There's more than just one winner. So we can actually have up to 3 treasure saves. The more signups, the larger the prize pool. And then also, the campaign is going to the 20th of June. So, guys, make sure you use this link in the description to get a awesome treasure. So the treasure, they sent me one, and it's really, really cool. I love the dashboard. It was really easy to set up, and for a cold wallet, it's pretty awesome. It's pretty awesome. But all right, guys, let's get this thing on the road. Let's make sure we get you guys into the Discord. Make sure you're into the Discord. Let's refresh these prices here. Let's make sure we get the right prices going. We got Bitcoin at $70,163. We got Dogecoin at 16 cents. We got Tether at 99 cents. We have Ethereum at $3,745, guys. So this is amazing. So it's been super bullish. We've had, the bullishness and the hopes that Ethereum, because the deadline for the last deadline for the SEC to go into an approval for an Ethereum ETF for VanEck specifically. And then we have BlackRock doing a refiling for their Ethereum ETF. Now, what is this going to spur? Now, this is going to spur speculation that they're going to eventually have other types of ETFs that have a mixed bag of crypto like Solana, AVAX, Polygon, all these different coins and blue chips, these blue chip altcoins going down the line of the top 50 or the top 100, that there is going to be ETFs and funds set up for the crypto narratives, but around big money that's coming from the institutions and coming from the stock market. So it's like we're having a revolution here, and it's a great crypto digital revolution that's happening in our market right now. So it's really cool. You've got articles like, Bitcoin slips, but Ether gains. What comes next for crypto ETFs? So Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies experienced mixed trading on Wednesday. Ether continues to be the focus of attention as optimism mounts around the approval of the exchange-traded funds tied to the crypto token. So while Bitcoin is down, 1.9%, now sitting, if we look at Bitcoin, and we see where it is actually sitting currently. Let's look at Bitcoin. We're going to look at Bitcoin really quick. We have Bitcoin sitting at... Let's make sure we get the right Bitcoin. Where's the Bitcoin that we're going to look at here? Okay, we are going to look at Bitcoin on the hourly here. We're sitting at $70,215. $70,240 actually, and we're actually coming back up and swooping into the symmetrical triangle that we broke down off of. And so now that we actually cleared this level of 69.9, we are probably going to be trading back up into the 73,800 level, which we were trying to get up to in the first place. But what's going to be interesting is that the dominance is going to be going back and forth between a battle of Bitcoin and Ethereum, where we had this major move on Ethereum, this mega two God candles that happened on the daily here that pushed us up past our target that we had. And so we're going into some interesting territories here with Ethereum. You know, Ethereum actually pumping this much is probably basically signifying a supply crunch or a hurriness to get more ETH. And once institutions realize that even you can get cheaper ETH, by what I mean by cheaper ETH is getting ETH on base, and the big push for people to start using the base chain, oh my gosh, this still makes the Ethereum price go up. So someone was explaining this, and that's that whether you put ETH on base or ETH on Monera, or you put ETH on Minerva or whatever, anything that has a liquid staked ETH, Rocket Pool ETH, Lido DAO staked ETH, Coinbase staked ETH, it all together will make the supply and the whole mechanisms of Ethereum actually do well and put liquidity and make the price go up, because what this is doing is operating multiple liquidity lines and chains through Ethereum. So this is what is happening, guys, and we're going to see this push up easily to $4,145 in the short term here. And the fact that we got a retracement and got a nice push back up shows we're still in bullishness territory here to push up and kind of go up on this trend here, this trend line. Kind of, we'll probably trade up a little bit, trade up, get a little bit of rejection. But I see a clear path to $4,145. All right, guys, so make sure you guys go to danielcurtishughes.com, and this is where you can get quick crypto news, and you can see Bitcoin actually going to the moon, and you can show this to people, and you can say, hey, break out of the matrix. All right, so then you can also go to Crypto Bubbles, and you can get a cool, quick 5-minute look at what is performing well right now. All right, so Dogecoin, Bonk, Floki, Pepe, these are doing well. AVAX, we got Render in here. Celestia up 7.6% on the hourly, and then we got Whiff, Pepe, Bonk. We're just outlining the bigger bubbles here. Doge, and now we'll go to the 100 to 200, and we have PopCat, Boom, Corgi AI. This is interesting. We mentioned Corgi AI as a interest coin in one of the lists that Crypto.com had for AI tokens. So maybe we'll dive a little bit more into that chart, and we'll see if Corgi AI could be something of a play for an AI token along with some of the gaming tokens, because we're kind of the market's been lumping the narrative of gaming and AI together as a kind of like overturing narrative for the bull run that will have the most success. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you think is going to pump the most? AI coins or gaming? Let's put a poll up. Let's put a poll up in the chat. We'll put a poll up. We'll start a poll. We'll say, what do you think will pump more? What will pump more? What will pump more? And we'll do AI coins or gaming coins. All right. You guys let me know. Let me know in the chat. What will pump more? AI coins or gaming coins? Let's see what you guys say. Let's see what you guys say. See if the people have spoken. We'll see what the results are. AI after NVIDIA earnings. Oh, yeah. So we got NVIDIA earnings coming up. We can check the NVIDIA chart, and we can see, okay, we got earnings coming up tomorrow. Earnings are coming up tomorrow, so that probably is going to spark a AI pump. All right, so we got people saying AI for sure. All right, let's see. We got 60. Let's see this poll. We got AI. 67% is saying AI coins. 33% saying gaming coins. You guys got to get more votes. Everyone who's watching right now, go in and vote on this poll. I want to see what the winner will be. Okay, so guys, I want to tell you a little bit about what the moves we are planning on doing, and I really think we're gonna stick to them. And I think sticking to these moves with Pepe, and we're transferring Pepe profits into spot holdings. And now the reason why we're doing this is because there's a particular exchange where we are going to transfer our trades out because we are on a time frame of basically a couple of weeks, and then we will not be able to operate that exchange. So what we're doing by calculating up what we can do is we're going to scalp as much as we can, and we're going to be transferring it into our other main exchanges. Now, we're going to take not all of the trades. We're going to keep all of the trades open until the last minute, because we do see bullishness coming up. We have a couple more weeks of movement, and so we're going to take advantage of that. But I think what we would like to do is use our strategy. Our original strategy was that when we take profits, we are going to put them into our spot holdings. And now we've been analyzing a few different coins. You know, we've talked about different coins, different meme coins. We've talked about Boomer. You know, we've talked about Brett. You know, here's the thing. Here's the thing with Brett and things like Boomer, things like the Me token. Let me go into also ticker Bitcoin. Where's my deck screener? I had the deck screener up. I don't know what happened to it. Where'd it go? So I want to show you guys this because we're actually going to make this move. We're gonna start getting in a little bit heavier, I think, into Brett. Yo, what's going? Did I just say what's going? I just said what's going. What's going, Cryptogenics? What's going is the crypto markets right now. We've just brewed a strong coffee. Woo! We brewed that strong coffee. All right, well, I hope you guys are feeling good. I hope you're feeling well. All right, so what we're doing. We're telling you what we're doing here. These are the moves that we're making. Say yeah. Hell yeah, bro. What's going? Sometimes, guys, I don't know. I wonder about myself sometimes. I wonder. All right, so yeah, we're getting a push back up to 8 cents for Brett. So we're just wanting to get some good entries in here. And also, we have been eyeing Boomer as well. So let's go into Boomer real quick. Where is Boomer? This I like because the last time I saw patterns like this, it just bullish megaphones into all-time highs, and this is exactly what happened with Ponky. So basically, we're going to go a little heavier on Ponky for Solana. We are going to hold Solana, And then we are going to, for the base chain, we're going to hold Ethereum on base, and then we're going to hold Boomer and Brett for base. And then when we go down for Ethereum, we're going to hold Ticker Bitcoin and Pepe. And then going down the list for other Ethereums, we're going to do Shiba Inu, Bone, and we are also doing a caveat of Ethereum would be Dogecoin. And so our list is very simple. Crypto gaming is Nakamoto Games. That's the one that we're putting our main focus on. And this is the simple narrative that we're following. We're not making it too complicated, and this is the video that we're going to be making, you guys. We're going to be making this for the community, for you guys. We are going to make a really great, edited, nice video. It's going to be very informative. It's going to have everything listed per chain, what the potential of the moves could be, where it's at, the market cap, the tiers of the coins, all that stuff. We're going to have a couple different hidden gems in there that I think you guys would appreciate, and we are releasing this video in the next week. It's going to be like a 30-minute video that is going to be the ultimate breakdown of the simplest portfolio you could build to be successful without any stress. Without any stress. All it takes is just patience. So that's the most important thing, is what we're going to try and reiterate in this video, is the importance of patience. And sometimes all you got to do is have time in the market can sometimes beat the money in the market. For sure. So I don't know if you guys agree with that, but put a 1 in the chat. Put a 1 in the chat. Okay, so I want to show you guys really quick. I want to show you really quick what we're thinking. What we're thinking here. The potential of Brett being a top performer meme coin on base is very high and likely. So we're looking at when Bitcoin starts to go to 100K and we get Ethereum pumping majorly, people are going to start picking what they think is going to perform well. Now, I think Brett has already... I would say it's likely. I would say it's very likely that Brett will be at least in the top 5 in the next couple months, in the next 6 months. And also, I believe Boomer is going to be that as well. I think the fact that there have been a lot of base tokens that are airdrop tokens, like they started out as an airdrop, and some of them kind of don't go very well. Boomer actually, did very well. So I just say, okay, yeah, that's actually since the chart still looks good and it didn't have any major dumps or major pumps. It's just a nice steady movement. And so I'll show you why Ponky for me is super bullish, because we have where's Ponky? Yep. Do I own any Pepe on base? No, I don't. Now for me, Ponky is bullish for the reason of the chart. The chart here kind of, speaks for itself. And so there is potential for this thing to really just start bull flagging and start crushing up to the next level, which would be like at 69 cents and possibly up to $1. So I really think that these coins... I know, the drawing's funny. Guys, what you don't understand is I drew this thing like a week ago. I drew this way before Ponky even ripped. So we actually got in before the rip, and we caught a 3.5x or 4x on Ponky. We actually were in GME, and we sold our GME at a 2x to go back into Solana, and then we put that Solana into Ponky. So that was good. That was actually a really solid move, and it was a nice quick move. We just kind of saw where the buckets of water were going, and that's what happened. Mr. Tanker says he's up 4.5K with Milady meme coin. Nice. So is Milady pumping right now? Let's check Milady. Let's check old Milady. Let's say Milady. Oh, a lady. It's just lady. What are you trading it on? Mr. Tanker, what are you trading it on? Are you trading on an exchange? Are you holding it like decentralized? Yeah, I know. I just don't want to get distracted. Like, I don't want to get distracted and have the noise because, like, Da Vinci made a good point this morning on the Moon Show. He said, if you would have invested $3,000 into Pepe when me and Carl made the video, they made a video a year ago saying, buy Pepe now. And if you had have held any, like, $1,000 to $3,000 of Pepe at that point, it would be worth millions of dollars. Millions. So that's a hard pill to swallow. Now that will tell you that it took a year. It took a year. Now this is why today I'm going to literally do this live. I'm going to take all of my Pepe trade, pretty much almost all of it, and leave some of it for a run, for a possible run. And I'm going to take all those profits and I'm going to put it into bread. And that's what we're going to do. That's what we're doing today. That's the move. All right, so let's look at the Milady coin. Oh, nice. We got a little descent. We had a descending wedge. We had a descending wedge here on Milady. Descending wedge. Wasn't a big one, but yeah, nice. This thing breaking up to the targets here, has some resistance that it could hit up at 24,770. But I think, yeah, we could see some more movements with the Milady meme coin here. 50%. I think 50% in the short term could be a good level to hit right here. That looks, yeah, that's looking actually pretty good. And then you can see the candle here. That would be a nice level as well. And that is also that's also a 28% move. So yeah, this actually looks really good. Strong buy on the Milady coin according to TradingView. Okay. Let's actually look at it. Let's look at it here. I think actually, let's see. Do we have Lady here? Oh, yeah, we do. Uh-oh. 7%. Hold the phone. Wow. Not looking too bad. Not looking too bad. All right. So yeah, we're going to do what we say. We're going to do what we say. I would say, you could say I'm jumping the gun a little bit. I could leave these open a little bit longer. And I know a month in crypto can be sometimes a year. A month in crypto could be like a year's time. But I want to make like life-changing money. Complete like life-changing money, guys, where me putting in just a little bit more right now into these coins that I think are going to really perform well in the next like year, not 6 months, like a year. This is where you start really making some crazy money. And so that's what we're going to do. That's what we're going to do, guys. And I hope you're going to join me. And I hope you're going to do this with me. We're going to do it. We're going to do it. We're not playing games, guys. We're not playing any games. All right, so let's see the poll here. We got 10 votes. Oh, uh-oh. Gaming coins just started to win. We got 60% on gaming coins for the poll. So gaming coins it is. All right, so speaking of gaming coins, let's go into our gaming coins list. Let's see what's happening on CoinMarketCap in terms of gaming. So there is a Floki game. If you guys didn't know, there is a Floki game. All right. let's see, Creo Engine. We got Carrot. Yeah, not playing games and taking crypto names. I like that. Game GPT Duel. This is what's performing well right now. We got Saga. Oh, we got Mines of Delarnia coming back up in the spot. Okay, guys. So Mines of Delarnia is kind of like that old previous bull run 2021 coin, Binance Smart Chain. But I'm telling you guys, this thing actually had a massive community of players, active players on this game. And so I would be curious to see how this is going to do for this next coming run. So let's see how the website's doing. Like, we haven't been to the website in a long time. Mines of Delarnia. Nope, I don't want to connect my wallet. Mines of Delarnia. Action and adventure, blending combat and dungeon crawling. Mines of Delarnia. Oh, look at this. Yep. See, look at this. This actually looks awesome. Collect, trade, earn. Delarnia is abundant with resources for explorers and investors to discover, collect, and trade. Robo Canary Birds. Yeah, I mean, this thing looks awesome. I mean, actually, like, I never really dived fully into this. I always just was speculating on the coin itself, but this actually looks really cool. This is really cool. And see, this has really, I think this has really good trading volume as well on DEXs in terms of, let me see. Well, right now, no, it doesn't. 16,000, not on PancakeSwap. Okay, but if you're looking at centralized exchanges, though, that's a different story. Binance is pushing it up there. Oh, and then if you want to get it on LBANK, we have a link in the description for LBANK. So if you want to trade Mines of Delarnia on LBANK using our link in the description, you can definitely do that. And guys, just to remind you, we are running a treasure giveaway with BITFLEX, and you will get a chance to win a Trezor hardware wallet. And this thing is cool. It's super cool. You guys got to go through here. The link is in the description. We'll put the link in the description here. All right, guys. So what should we do here? Should we take our profits? Should we take our profits? Basically, we're thinking about taking the Pepe profits right now. Headband would be screaming, crawling right now. All right. See how many likes we got. How many likes we got? 8 likes? Oh man, we didn't get it to even 10. Oh my gosh, we got to get it to at least 10. Got to get it to at least 10. I think we can do it. If you're watching on the TV, you have to hit up, right, select. Up, right, select. And then you'll be good to go. You'll be good to go. All right, currently, the trades that we're in on BITFLEX is we are in the Matic trade. So the Matic trade here on BITFLEX, do we want to go full screen here? There's the full screen. We love the full screen view. The full screen view on BITFLEX is great. Honestly, it's one of my favorites because a lot of the times the full screen view on some exchanges doesn't do very well, but this is great. This gives you really good data. You just need the volume. You got the moving averages. You got the 25. You know, the 99 SMA. You got the 25 SMA, and we're above the 20 SMA, the 25 SMA for Matic here, and what we're looking for Matic is to push up to $1 again. And where we're going to get that support, we're in this bottom range, which is going to get us here. Want to make these a little bit thicker. I mean, you got to think, this is what we're looking for here for our target. Target for Matic will be $1, over $1 here in the short term. And you got to think about where Ethereum just went, and Matic didn't really pump as much. Matic didn't really pump as much as you would expect. It went up 9%, 10%. I mean, this thing could have ripped a lot more. So I'm thinking we're gonna get some rippage on Matic. So that's why we're in the Matic trade here. We wanted to make sure we broke that down. There we go. Yeah, we are currently down on it, though. We're down on it just a little bit. We are down on it. Just a smidge, just a smidge. Just a smidge. See how the poll, let's see how the poll's doing. So we had 10 votes on it, okay. Interesting. Okay, so Wisdom Tree is given permission by the Federal Conduct Authority to list Wisdom Tree physical Bitcoin and Wisdom Tree physical Ethereum, two of its cryptocurrency exchange-traded products, on the London Stock Exchange. Wow. That's huge. All right, so check this out. So, of course he does. So, SEC Chair Gary Gensler slams FIT21 cites immeasurable risk to investors. No, bro, check it out. Gary Gensler is immeasurable risk to the cryptocurrency markets. The guy was having secret meetings with Sam Bankman-Fried and his dad, probably having secret meetings with these guys and all of the other people that are in their little Ponzi scheme of basically trying to make it to where they're being the protectors of us. They ain't protecting crap. These guys aren't protecting anything. They're protecting themselves and their money laundering. It's so ridiculous. He's just butthurt that he's not going to be able to have the power to sue crypto people anymore. Stick to everything else. Like, it's crazy. SEC Chair Gary Gensler pushes back on FIT21 before House vote. We should make the policy choice to protect the investing public over facilitating business models of non-compliant firms. It's so crazy. You only want them compliant so then you can get money out of them. That's the only reason. You want them compliant so then you can get money out of them. That's the only reason. And you want to have, like, governing bodied control, like overstating control on people who are just trying to run businesses. And do something innovative. They're not all trying to scam people, Gary. That's what's so crazy. It's like one bad actor. It's funny, the people that actually are doing the bad acting, they a lot of the times get scot-free. And then the people that are not really committing they're not really committing crimes to have the penalties of what the government is handing out. For instance, like CZ. He paid $4 billion, but then still has to go to jail for 4 months. By operating in a legal framework that was gray area to begin with. So then you're going to tell me, oh, there's some major gray area here with how we're operating with crypto companies. I'm going to pay the fine, but then I still have to go to jail, even though you didn't know exactly how you wanted to frame the law about it? Craziness. Craziness. Craziness, guys. But all right, so Trump becomes first major party candidate to accept full crypto donations. So this is bullish news as well. And then today, guys, today is the Bitcoin Pizza Day. So today is the infamous day of the Bitcoin pizza purchase, where Lorenzo spent and sent 10,000 BTC to purchase 2 Papa John's pizzas. Pretty amazing. But it sparked history and sparked curiosity and the potential of what Bitcoin could do. And so we salute you, Lorenzo, for putting your neck out there to represent Bitcoin and the early adoption of where it was, where we're going, and where we're at right now. So yeah, everyone, order a pizza today in honor of, yeah, who's the guy? Yeah, where's that 10,000? I'm sure he didn't hold that either. But yeah. Let's see. Where's our, there we go. Oh, this was 20. Woo, bless me. Whoa. Holy moly. Triple sneeze. All right, let's see. Want to see the story. Wow, they're really documenting this thing today. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to find this. I'm trying to find a good article. Okay, here we go. All right, on May 22, 2010, Florida resident Laszlo... Did I say Lorenzo? I always end up calling him Lorenzo. Laszlo paid 10,000 Bitcoin for 2 Papa John's pizzas in what is largely considered to be the first purchase ever made with the experiential digital currency. Awesome. The story is well known, a part of Bitcoin history and celebrated across the world everywhere. What is less known is Hyanzi's other contributions to Bitcoin, according to Bitcoin historian and former CoinDesk editor Pete Rizzo, who published a detailed thread about Hyanzi on Wednesday. The first man to ever spend Bitcoins in a commercial transaction was also something of a confidant to Satoshi Nakamoto. Pretty interesting. So Bitcoin is valued for things it can be exchanged to, just like all the traditional paper currencies are. When the first user publicly announces that he will make a pizza for anyone who gives him 100 Bitcoins, then he can use Bitcoins as payment to some extent, as much as people want pizza and trust his announcement. A pizza-eating hairdresser who trusts him as a friend might then announce that the starts accepting Bitcoins as payment for fancy haircuts, and the value of the Bitcoin would be higher. Now you could buy pizzas and haircuts with them. When Bitcoins have become accepted widely enough, he could retire from his pizza business and still be able to use his Bitcoin savings. Without reading too much into it, it is interesting that the first Bitcoin transaction for a real-world object rather than peer-to-peer exchanges for fiat was pizza, given Satoshi's analogy. Pretty interesting. But as Rizzo notes, Hyansa, I can't even say that right, has contributed far more to Bitcoin than simply proving it could be used in actual purchases. He also was the first to translate Satoshi's code for Apple's operating system. So that is That's very key. Allowing a greater number of people to run the actual Bitcoin software. And he was a frequent commentator on the Bitcoin Talk forum, where he'd answer questions about the software and how it was designed. However, Hayase and Satoshi didn't agree on everything, and is also thought to be the first person to start mining Bitcoin using chips specially designed to run complex computer programs called graphics processing units, giving him a leg up against others who were running the Bitcoin source code on everyday computers. This kicked off what Satoshi called a mining arms race that is ongoing today. Bitcoin miners rely on factories full of application-specific integrated circuits designed specifically for proof-of-work mining. Satoshi was concerned that because the user base was so low at the time, people would de-incentivize from joining the distributed network if they had to put up cold hard cash to buy specialized equipment. Wow. All right. Man. Wild. Wild, wild. Pretty wild. Pretty wild, guys. It's history today. It's history. All right. Well, we're gonna end it here. We're gonna end it here, guys. We're gonna actually make our moves that we said. We're going to move some things around a little bit. We're gonna take some profits. And we are going to start DCAing, and we're gonna make some things happen. All right, we'll see you guys at 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time later today, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. We'll see you later.